In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export slides as PPTX in Canva. By the end, you'll have a Microsoft PowerPoint file ready to share, present, or edit in just a few clicks. Start by opening Canva so you're on the home dashboard. This is where you can access all your recent projects and design types. Make sure you're looking at the workspace where your presentation lives so you can get to it quickly. Next, click Presentation. This takes you to Canva's presentation design area and helps you filter to presentation projects. From here, open your presentation file. If you already see it in your recent designs, select it to open the full editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see your slides on the left and the main canvas in the center. In the top right corner of the editor, click Share. This button opens a menu with options for sharing, collaboration, and exporting. From that menu, select Download. This is where you'll choose the format and any export preferences. In the File Type dropdown, choose Microsoft PowerPoint PPTX. This ensures Canva converts your slides into a standard PowerPoint file that you can open in Microsoft PowerPoint or other compatible apps. If you don't see it at first, scroll through the options until you find the Microsoft PowerPoint choice. Before you finalize the export, look for the Pages section. If you only need certain slides, for example, a subset for a shorter talk, select the specific pages you want. If you want every slide, keep the default. All Pages setting. Selecting only the pages you need can make the download faster and the file smaller. Now, check the file settings. Make sure everything looks right for your use case. If your design includes elements like videos, animations, or interactive features, be aware that PPTX exports focus on slide content and layout, so motion effects may be simplified or appear as static elements. This is normal for most PowerPoint exports from design tools. When everything is set, click Download. Canva will prepare the PPTX file. You'll see a brief progress indicator. Once it's done, your browser will save the file to your usual downloads location. Open it in PowerPoint to confirm the slides look the way you expect. If you notice any minor layout shifts or font substitutions, adjust them in PowerPoint or return to Canva to tweak your design and re-export. That's it. You've exported your Canva slides as a PPTX, ready for presenting, sharing, or further editing.